So this present is from Uncle Joey.
Thank you, Uncle Joey.
Okay, open it.
Hi, open it. Oh, I got it. Hot Wheels! Hot Wheels. I really wanted this. Oh, Hot Wheels.
Really?
Where I put this?
Just
How do
put
you
it on the
know
floor
what
for
it
now.
is?
I don't know.
Yeah, but he's not even opened it.
Cooking our logo.
Really? That's so funny.
A coffee bag. Oh, I did it.
You can come down. You can come down.
A Barbie.
What? It's a unicorn. Which one was it? Ah, it's a Barbie.
What Hot Wheel is that?
What'd you get? Show me. Wow.
It's a liquid I got. It's a liquid I got.
Wait, that look what Jaya got. Wait,
Hot Wheel. I wanted this.
Go give him a hug. Give Uncle a hug.
I'm getting hugged.
I'm sure at the back. Mommy, I found her. I
We'll
found
help you to
her.
put it up later, okay?
Here.
Yay!
I found her.
Yeah, we can play inside our hotel later, okay, baby?
I see.